Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Verizon Connected Vehicle data for EV tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a Verizon Connected Vehicle subscription active for your electric vehicle. Access the Verizon Connected Vehicle app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in using your Verizon account credentials. Navigate to the dashboard section of the app. Look for the option labeled Data Backup or Backup Settings. Tap on this option to enter the backup menu. Select the type of data you want to back up. Common options include trip history, driving patterns, and battery usage. Choose a frequency for the backups, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Confirm your selection by tapping Save or Confirm. Next, check if you need to enable background data usage for uninterrupted backups. Go to your device's settings and locate the Verizon Connected Vehicle app. Turn on background data if it's currently disabled. Return to the Verizon Connected Vehicle app. To perform a manual backup, look for a button that says Backup Now or a similar option. Tap this button to initiate the backup process. Monitor the progress on the screen to ensure the backup is completed successfully. Once completed, you may receive a notification confirming the backup. To verify your backup, navigate back to the backup settings. Review the date and time of your last backup to ensure it matches your recent activity. For added security, consider storing your data using an external cloud service. Set up the external cloud service connection within the app, if available. If not, manually export the data by looking for an export or download option in the backup menu. Choose a file format that suits your needs, such as CSV or PDF. Follow the prompts to save the file to your preferred location. Once saved, check that the file is accessible and complete. Regularly review your backup settings to ensure they align with your tracking needs. Make adjustments as your driving habits or data requirements change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.